Dude, what the fuck was that?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Did we get that on video?
No.
Dude.
I tried.
I think it was animals fighting or something, but shit, that's a crazy noise. That would have been so perfect to get. It's not your fault. I knew there's no way we could have caught that. This doesn't mess up the recording and talking, but we should start the recording because, like, this is what it is, you know?
Mm-hmm.
This way, when you are editing and you're not looking through all these 40-second clips, you listen to the beginning, like, oh, this is that thing, I don't need that.
Right.
I think that would be a good thing. I'll turn on the pistol first.
Alright. Dude, I want to know what that fucking was.
I know it probably an animal, but didn't you see the fucking whistles?
It did.
Dude, it sounded like it sounded like Halloween decoration. Fuck, man, people are not gonna believe us. Fuck, that's the worst part of that shit when you see your shit. What's the scariest thing that ever happened in the woods or anything?
We found...
Is that the same place? That's the same trail. We just walked back down the same trail. I didn't even notice this trail.
Where I lived, we moved around in Ohio.
Yeah.
And I lived in this house. It was on Eastwood Ave, and my backyard was fucking huge. It looked like this. And yeah, we gotta go.
Yo, what the fuck is it?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
Holy fuck.
It's still happening. Listen. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Yo, what the fuck?
Dude, what the fuck was that?
It's still happening. Yo. There's not even houses over there. Holy fuck.